Hello, Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, at Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you for your support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you. Spiritual abundance, napakaganda. Sabi rito, thank you, angels, for blessing me with infinite abundance. Okay? So, nakikita ninyo yung kamay ng angel, punong-puno, no? Handful siya of gold coins. Kaya, maaaring ang darating sa kanya or darating sa iyo, no, is also a handful of a huge amount of money, no, pwedeng ganon. So napakaganda nito, napakaswerte niyo pagdating sa pera kasi there will be abundance of money, no, coming your way. What else? We have peace and harmony. Archangel Raguel. Thank you, Raguel, for surrounding my life in a harmonious light. Napakaganda, diba? Magiging tahimik ang buhay, magiging kalmado, peaceful, harmonious. This is perfect, no? This is perfect kasi magkakaroon kayo ng liwanag, no? Liwanag sa pag-iisip, and you are going to be you're going to have that harmony within yourself, no? What else? Take a step back. Thank you, angels, for helping me to step back from what's not serving me. Okay, so ginagabayan kayo rito ng inyong mga guardian angels para ma-figure out ninyo kung alin dito yung mga bagay or sitwasyon na kailangan na ninyong iwanan, talikuran, because it is not serving your best interest. It is not serving your highest good, no? So, what else? We have, you are protected. Okay, Archangel Michael. So, thank you, Michael, for surrounding me with your protective light. Okay? So, napaka-blessed talaga ninyo, napaka-swerte ninyo kasi you are always safe. You know, you are protected by Archangel Michael. Nagsasabi siya lagi sa iyo na lagi kanyang binabantayan at pinoprotektahan. Ano? Lagi siyang lagi kanyang binabalot ng kanyang blue sapphire sword of light para lagi kayong may protection from any kind of negativity and negative energies, no? Negative people, lahat, negative entities, pinoprotektahan kanya. So, what else? We have life energy. The happy fairy of sunshine brings lots of life-giving energy. She reminds you to shine your light and to reveal anything in the shadows that needs to be healed. Okay? So, this is really beautiful. No? Napaka-blessed talaga ninyo ngayon. This, the life energy, parang the sun, no, is going to shed its light sa buhay ninyo. Kaya parang you will be, you will be full of energy, you will be full of enthusiasm, optimism, 'di ba? So napakaliwanag, no, ng buhay para sa inyo. Kaya napakaganda nito. So what else? We have asked for help. Angels are celestial beings who protect anyone or everyone. And the fairies say, now is the time for you to ask for angelic assistance. Ayan. So, ask for help. Don't hesitate, no? Don't hesitate to ask for help. Don't hesitate to reach out to someone, no? Hindi lang sa mga tao sa paligid natin. Kung kailangan natin ng tulong, hindi lang sa kanila kayo lumapit, but also when you feel like you need an assistance from your guardian angels, from the spirit team, they're just a prayer away. Alam mo naman na isang dasal lang, no? At tutulungan kanila. Kaya wag kang magdalawang isip, okay? Na tumawag sa kanila. We have friendship. Fairies and humans alike need friends. Now is the time to seek out those who will support and encourage you on your journey to fulfill your dreams. Okay? So, ito, friendship. Maari na ang iba sa inyo rito is going to, to make new friends. Siguro, you're making new friends. Or, maaari din na may sitwasyon kayo rito wherein ma-figure out ninyo rito kung sino yung totoong kaibigan, no? Sino yung totoong kaibigan na handang tumulong sa'yo, handang sumuporta sa'yo, handang dumamay sa'yo, ano man ang inyong pinagdadaanan sa buhay. Masaya man ikaw, may celebrate ka man, nandyan sila para sa'yo, malungkot ka man, may problema ka man, nandyan pa rin sila para sa'yo, no? So, what else? We have protection. The fairies of protection are shielding you with a magical fairy ring of love and light. Practice psychic protection before embarking upon any spiritual work. So this is for those spiritual workers, no, na Aquarius. Bago kayo magsimula ng kahit anumang klaseng spiritual practice, make sure to shield yourself, your energy field with psychic protection para safe kayo, para walang makaistorbo sa'yo, walang negative energy or negative entity na pwedeng umistorbo sa'yo. Okay? So, what else? We have new beginnings. Wow, napakaganda kasi magkakaroon dito ng pagbabago. Meron kayong bagong sisimulang ganap sa buhay. Sabi rito, this fairy godmother heralds the joyous news of a new baby. So, pwedeng meron ditong manganganak sa inyo. Or kung hindi ka manganganak, baka yung person ninyo. Kung hindi man, baka someone na close to your heart, no? Kaibigan, kapamilya, kapatid ninyo, mga ganon. Or the birth of a cherished idea. So maybe meron din, kung hindi man ganon na manganganak, no, may manganganak, baka bagong idea ito. This could be a creative idea, no, na pwedeng susulpot, no, sa inyo. So protect and nurture your ideas as you would have a baby. Ayan, so kung meron man kayong mga ideas sa ngayon, nurture it, protectionan ninyo ito. Kayo lang ang mas magandang nakakaalam nito. At hanggang sa pwede na ninyo yan i-share mga ideas ninyo, mga plano ninyo. When the time comes na handa na kayong simulang gawin ito, no? Kasi wag ninyong i-share yan sa kung kanino man habang hindi pa kayo nagsisimula, because you never know kung sino dito yung mapagkakatiwalaan at hindi. Okay? Alalahanin ninyo na ang dami-dami ng manluloko, mambubudol, scammer, 'di ba? Sinungaling sa paligid natin. Kaya protection na ninyo yung mga pangarap ninyo, 'di ba? Mga heart's desires ninyo, mga goals ninyo. Protect it for now and keep it to yourself, no? Habang hindi pa ninyo ginagawa. Good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.